It's important to be careful with things that have a pump, because if you're not, you're sure in for a surprise of a squirt accident all over you. And that's what happened to me just last week. Pardon me while I eat my pizza. Anyway, hi everybody, it's Mena. Welcome back to my channel, or if this is the very first video that you're seeing of me, then welcome to my channel. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you didn't already. I post every day except for Tuesday and Friday afternoon sometimes, and today in this video I have kind of a funny story about what had happened to me just recently last week when I was working. And it's the story about how I accidentally squirted myself with insect repellent at work. So this is a story just to teach you guys, if you're working with anything that has a pump, you have to be extremely careful because you don't want to push it down in case it's facing towards you, because you don't want to get yourself covered in whatever is inside the pump, whether it's food, condiments, body wash, or anything that is probably very sticky and it splatters all over you. But the bright side is if you do accidentally do that, you can wash your clothes when you get home. So I'm going to get started, and I hope this video makes you laugh. I know it definitely makes me laugh. This all started about a week ago. I was working at my job, and one of my jobs I do in the store where I work at a low waste shop where people come in, bring their containers in, and refill them. It's just a store that has things that people can just come in and refill, that has products that people can refill in case they need to refill laundry soap, refill body wash, refill shampoo, refill lotion, anything they need refilled. So I was working this one day, and one of my jobs, I had finished everything, all of the other jobs that I had. I finished washing the dishes, sweeping the floors, mopping, and collecting our dip trays, which is so we don't waste our product because just in case the product drips out of our pumps. So I had finished everything, and it was time for me to clean all the pumps. So I get up on a ladder, and sometimes I have to get up on a ladder in order to clean the pumps because they are a little too high for me to reach. So I get up and I go near this product, and it is insect repellent. As I'm wiping down the top of the pump, because it is kind of sticky from it being very messy. So as I'm wiping it, I accidentally put my hand on top of it and put pressure on the pump, and I squirt insect repellent all over my shirt. But at least I didn't get all of it on my shirt. I squirted it on my shirt, and I had this very strong earthy smell on my shirt, and I was like, uh-oh. And my coworker's like, are you okay? And I'm like, yes, I'm fine. I just squirted myself with insect repellent, and the smell was very strong and earthy, and it kind of bothered me. But honestly, it was just like a mistake. And I definitely thought of a new thing, was to make sure I have my hand over the pump so I don't accidentally push down on it and squirt myself. So always be careful. I definitely learned to be super careful when I'm cleaning the pumps that day. So what sucked was I had to walk around smelling like insect repellent for the rest of my shift. And it was just super strong and earthy, but I literally the smell was just very strong. It drove me crazy, and I felt really, really weird walking around smelling like insect repellent. So luckily, after I was done with my shift and I got home, I took my clothes off and took a quick shower, and luckily, not a quick shower, I took a really quick shower to wash off all the insect repellent, because I did not like the fact that I squirted myself with insect repellent. But I did learn to be super careful when I'm cleaning the pumps, because they can squirt out when you least expect it. And I made sure to put my hand underneath the pump so I don't accidentally squirt it on me. And I find that helps a lot because it keeps it from pushing down when I'm holding it underneath. Pardon me while I eat my pizza. So the moral of the story is if you're working with any type of pump that has food condiments, products, or anything in it, and you're cleaning the pumps, please be careful, because if you're not, you're going to be in for a surprise of squirting yourself with product. But you have to be super careful not to get it in your eyes. Luckily, I only got it on my shirt and not in my eyes, but sometimes you can walk around with a product all over your shirt that is very strong, and sometimes the smell might bother you. So always just be careful. You can always take a shower and clean your shirt when you get home, but you just need to be super careful and make sure you don't push down on pumps when you're cleaning them, because they can and will squirt out on you when you least expect it. So that was a funny story about how I accidentally squirted myself with insect repellent at work. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I post every day except for Tuesday and Friday afternoon sometimes. I'll see you in another video soon. Bye! Thanks for watching. I hope this video made you laugh, and if it did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.